What if the secret to eternal youth wasn't just a fantasy reserved for fairy tales or ancient myths? Imagine a world where aging is no longer inevitable, where the clock doesn't tick against your body's vitality, and where you could have a chance to start anew again and again. It may sound like science fiction. Scientists are pushing the boundaries of biology, unraveling the mysteries of immortality, and trying to unlock the key to reversing aging. So, is immortality just a dream, or is the science finally catching up? The age-old question: can we defy time? We've all wondered at some point, what if we didn't have to grow old? While science hasn't exactly found a way to stop time, the idea of reversing aging is gaining traction in the research world. We're closer than ever to turning back the clock on aging, thanks to groundbreaking advancements in biotechnology, gene editing, and cellular regeneration. Imagine a future where you can renew your body every few decades, like upgrading your phone software. Science fiction. Maybe not for long. Telomeres and aging. The final countdown. Telomeres are the biological markers of aging, often compared to the plastic tips of shoelaces. These little caps protect the ends of our chromosomes, but as we age, they shorten, leading to cell death and aging. Recent studies in 2024 are revealing ways to extend or even reverse the shortening of telomeres. The most exciting research involves the enzyme telomerase, which can rebuild telomeres and potentially extend cell lifespan. It's like finding the reset button for your body's aging process. While we're still far from using telomerase on humans, ongoing trials are showing positive results. Just don't expect to get your eternal youth in a pill bottle anytime soon. Stem cells, the superheroes of regeneration. Stem cells are perhaps the most talked about potential immortality solution today. These magical cells can transform into any cell the body needs, which is why scientists are looking to them to regenerate organs, skin, and even muscles. Researchers are making great strides in stem cell therapy. Experiments in lab-grown organs and tissue regeneration are moving faster than ever. In fact, scientists have recently reprogrammed stem cells to reverse the signs of aging in animal models. This means, someday soon, your body might be able to regrow damaged tissues, reversing the effects of old age. You know, just like Wolverine, minus the claws. Senescence, when cells refuse to die. Senescence refers to when cells stop dividing and enter a sort of retirement phase. They're still alive, but they're not doing their job anymore. These non-working cells accumulate as we age, contributing to inflammation and chronic diseases like arthritis and dementia. However, this year is proving to be a game changer. Scientists are developing senolytic drugs, which target and eliminate these lazy cells, allowing your body to stay younger for longer. Think of it as kicking the deadbeat cells out of your body's workplace. It's a clean up the clutter strategy that might soon be available in pill form. Mitochondria, the powerhouse that needs a recharge. Mitochondria are the energy factories of your cells. But as we age, they lose their efficiency. This results in fatigue, muscle weakness, and other aging-related conditions. This year, research is focusing on boosting mitochondrial function to reverse the energy drain that comes with aging. Some studies suggest that nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide precursors, a molecule that helps maintain mitochondrial health, could be the key. If scientists can find a way to regenerate mitochondria in aging cells, it might be like giving your body a battery recharge every few decades. Who wouldn't want that? Epigenetics, unlocking the secret to reversing aging. Your genes might tell you what you're likely to look like and how your body works, but epigenetics controls how your genes express themselves. Essentially, epigenetics is like the volume knob on your DNA. With the right adjustments, you could turn down the aging process and turn up youthful cellular activity. Researchers have uncovered ways to manipulate gene expression to extend lifespan. Clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats technology is being used to adjust epigenetic marks, reversing age-related changes. So, could you one day press a button to turn back the genetic clock? It might not be as far off as you think. The promise of clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats and gene editing. Let's talk about clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats, the genetic scissors that have taken the scientific world by storm. Clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats allows for precise editing of DNA, and scientists are exploring its potential to extend life by targeting genes responsible for aging. Clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats is making huge waves in aging research, with scientists experimenting on animal models to edit genes that protect against age-related diseases like Alzheimer's. The potential for gene editing in humans could be revolutionary. Imagine being able to cut out the parts of your DNA that cause aging and insert genes that promote health and longevity. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, doesn't it? But it's happening right now. Cellular reprogramming. Going back to youth. What if you could reverse your cells to a youthful state? This is the concept of cellular reprogramming, where scientists reprogram aged cells to behave like younger ones. This field has seen major breakthroughs, with experiments showing that it's possible to turn back the biological clock in human cells. Scientists have even reprogrammed skin cells to become pluripotent, able to turn into any cell type, without creating cancerous mutations. If this technique proves successful in humans, it could mean that your cells could be reset every few years, giving your body a permanent youthful look and feel. Forget anti-aging creams. This is the real deal. The role of exercise in anti-aging. Sweat your way to immortality. While all these high-tech solutions are exciting, let's not forget the simpler things that can slow down aging. Scientists have confirmed that regular exercise has a profound impact on aging. Not only does it reduce the risk of diseases like heart disease and diabetes, but it also affects the way your cells age. Exercise helps preserve telomere length, improve mitochondrial function, and fight the buildup of senescent cells. In fact, research has shown that exercise can even turn back your biological clock in terms of fitness and muscle function. It's the easiest and least expensive way to fight the aging process. The ethics of immortality. Do we really want to live forever? All right, let's get real for a second. If science finds a way to reverse aging, should we even pursue it? The ethical implications are huge. Imagine a world where people can live to 150, 200, or even longer. How would this affect overpopulation? How would society cope with the economic implications of a forever young workforce? What would it do to the job market or social dynamics? These are questions researchers and ethicists are already debating. While the science of immortality is advancing, society has to grapple with whether living forever is actually a good idea. After all, would you want to live forever in a world that's running out of space, resources, and patience? Can immortality ever be achieved? The reality behind the dream. Despite all the advances in reversing aging, immortality still remains out of reach for now, but showing us that the possibility of significantly extending human lifespan is closer than ever. From gene editing to stem cell therapies, the fight against aging is gaining momentum. But before we all start signing up for eternal youth, let's remember, immortality might be more complicated than we think. It's not just about reversing aging, but about navigating the complex ethical, societal, and biological consequences. The future of aging is still unfolding, but one thing is clear: it's going to be an exciting ride. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed diving into the science of immortality, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Share this video with friends who need to know if aging can really be reversed. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the future of science.